Good morning, I am Jayapayas. Today, let us start the solution of the problem of the non-profit organization. First problem, I will read it and after that I will solve it. First one, following are the balance sheet and receipts and payments account of Sharda Education Society Mangalore. Balance sheet as on 31/3/2017, like this side. Capital fund 36,400. It will be shown in the balance sheet at the liability side. Audit fees 2,500. It belongs to the previous year. It will be shown in the income and expenditure account, a deduction out of the audit fees. Cash in hand. It belongs to the previous year. Should be ignored. Maps and chart. It's the current asset. It will be shown in the balance sheet at the asset side. 5% government bond 31,000. It is the investment. It will be shown in the balance sheet at the asset side. Subscription outstanding 1,000. It is our previous year. It will be shown in the income and expenditure account, a deduction out of the subscription. Furniture. It's the fixed assets. It will be shown in the balance sheet at the asset side. Next, receipts and payments account for the year ending 31/3/2018. Debit side, credit side, receipts and payment. First on debit side. To balance brought down 2050. It on previous year. It's on previous year. Should be ignored. Subscription. It is the revenue receipt credited to income and expenditure account. Donation. It's also revenue receipt, but there is one adjustment. Let us say afterward. Before that, it will be credited to income and expenditure account. International government bond. It's also revenue receipt credited to income and expenditure account. Next, come to credit side. Audit fee. It's the revenue expenditure debited to income and expenditure account. Rent. It is also revenue expenditure debited to income and expenditure account. Maps and chart. It is addition for old maps and chart. It will be shown in the balance sheet as addition to the maps and chart. Next one, stationery and postage. It is debited to income and expenditure account because it is revenue expenditure. Salary. It is also revenue expenditure debited to income and expenditure account. Function. It is also revenue expenditure debited to income and expenditure account. Last one, balance carried on. It's our current year cash balance. It will be shown in the balance sheet at the asset side under the heading current asset. Come to adjustment. First one, audit fee rupees 2,500 is still due. It's our current year. It will be shown in the income and expenditure account as addition to the audit fee. And the same item will be shown in the balance sheet at the liability side under the heading current liability. Next one, charge rupees 250 as depreciation of furniture. It will be shown in two places. One in the income and expenditure account, it is debited, and the same item will be shown in the balance sheet as deduction out of the furniture. Half of the donation is to be considered as revenue. Total donation 2,500. Out of 2,500, half is equal to 1,250. 1,250 will be credited to income and expenditure account. And the same rupees 1,250 balance will be shown in the balance sheet as addition to the capital fund. Next one, outstanding subscription rupees 2,000. It belongs to the previous year. It will be shown in the balance sheet in the income and expenditure account as addition to the subscription, and the same rupees 2,000 will be shown in the balance sheet under the heading current asset. And subscription received in advance, it's for next year. It will be shown in the income and expenditure account as deduction out of the subscription, and the same rupees 2,000 1,500 will be shown in the balance sheet at the liability side under the heading current liabilities. Last one, prepare income and expenditure account and the balance sheet. Let us draw column. It is income and expenditure account column. Heading Sharda Education Society Mangalore. Income and expenditure account for the year ended 31/3/2018. Expenditure rupees, income rupees, debit, credit. Next one, balance sheet as on 31/3/2018. Liabilities rupees, assets rupees. Heading. First, let us be ready with the specimen of the balance sheet, and we have to prepare income and expenditure account and the balance sheet simultaneously so that we can save the time. Okay. First heading, capital fund as on 1/4/17. We have to leave 2 or 3 lines because there are 2 or 3 adjustments. Next one, second, current liabilities. Third, asset side. First one, fixed assets. And for this, there is one adjustment. Therefore, there is one item. Therefore, we have to leave 2 or 3 lines. Next one, investment. On this investment also, one item is there. Therefore, we have to leave 1 or 2 lines. Next one, Third one, current assets. Let's fill up the amounts. First one, capital fund, 36,400. It will be shown in the inner column because there is adjustment. Next one, audit fees, 2,500. It will be shown in the income and expenditure account at the debit side. Audit fees, under that, less outstanding for 2017 rupees 2,500 in our column. Another adjustment is there, therefore we have to leave once again one line. Next one, cash in hand ignored. Maps and charts, 1,600. It will be shown under the heading current asset. Maps and charts. Inner column, 1,600. There is one adjustment. You have to show 1,600 in the inner column. 5% government bond. It is the investment. It will be shown in the balance sheet under the heading investment. 5% government bond. Outer column 31,000. Subscription outstanding rupees 1,000. It belongs to the previous year. It will be shown in the income and expenditure account as deduction out of the subscription. Buying subscription. Less outstanding for 2017. How much? 1,000. After this, another two adjustments are there. Therefore, we have to leave two lines. Next one, furniture. It's the fixed assets. It will be shown in the balance sheet at the asset side. Number one, furniture. It will be shown in the inner column because on this one adjustment is there. Come to the receipts and payments account. First one, two balance brought down. It will be ignored because it belongs to the previous year. Subscription, how much? 20,500. It's the revenue receipt credited to income and expenditure account. 20,500. Donations, 2,500. On this, one adjustment is there. It will be shown in the inner column. 2,500. And last one, interest on government bond. By interest on government bond. How much? 850. We have to show in the inner because there is one adjustment. Come to credit side. Audit fees. How much? 2,500 paid. And this 2,500 belong to the previous year should be shown deduction. And difference is 0, that will be shown in the inner column. Rent 1,800. It is also revenue expenditure debited to income and expenditure account 1,800. Maps and chart. It's for the current year addition. It will be shown in the balance sheet as addition to the maps and chart and addition for the year. How much? 3,400. Total 5,000 outer account. Salary. Before that, stationery and postage. It is the revenue expenditure debited to income and expenditure account. How much? 250. Next, salary. It is also revenue expenditure debited to income and expenditure account. 8,000. Function. It is also revenue expenditure debited to income and expenditure account 1,050. And last one, balance carried on. It is a cash balance for the year at the end of the year, and it will be shown the balance sheet under the heading current asset. Second, cash balance. How much? 8,900 outer column. Come to adjustment. Audit fee rupees 2,500 is still due. It will be shown in two places. One in the income and expenditure account as addition to the audit fee, and the same rupees 2,500 will be shown in the balance sheet at the liability side under the heading current liabilities. And outstanding for 2018 2,500. Then outer column 2,500. And come to balance sheet liability side. First one, outstanding audit fee in bracket 2018 outer column 2500. Next, charge rupees 250 as depreciation on furniture. In the furniture, less depreciation rupees 250. Then outer column 3000. The same rupees 250 will be shown in the income and expenditure account at the debit side and depreciation on furniture. Outer column 250. Half of the donation is to be considered as revenue. Total 2500. Out of that, half is equal to 1250. Remaining 1250 will be shown at the outer column. Next, less of capitalized 1250. Then outer column 1250. This 1250 will be shown in the balance sheet as addition to the capital fund. Add capital donation capitalized. How much? 1250. Outstanding subscription 2000. It belongs to the current year. Should be shown in the income and expenditure account as addition to the subscription. This difference is 19,500. Next, add outstanding for 2018. How much? 2000. Then total is 21,500. This 2000 will be shown once again in the balance sheet at the asset side. Number 3, outstanding subscription for 2018. Outer column 2000. And subscription received in advance rupees 1500. It will be shown in two places. In the income and expenditure account, a deduction out of the subscription and the same item will be shown in the balance sheet under the heading current liabilities. Less subscription received in advance in bracket 2019. How much? 1500. Then outer column 20,000. Come to liability side. Second, subscription received in advance in bracket 2019. Outer column 1500. All the items are over, but there is one item, 5% government bond. How much? 31,000. If you calculate the interest, it will be like this. 31,000 into 5% is equal to 1,550. Yes, 1,550. Out of 1,550, you received 850. Then difference 700 is the outstanding for the current year. You should be considered now. Therefore, add outstanding interest. How much? 700. Outer column 1,550. In bracket calculation, 31,000 into 5 by 100. Okay, this 700 will be shown in the balance sheet at the asset side. Outstanding interest on government bond. How much? 700 outer column. Now, let us close the account and find out the difference. Income and expenditure account showing the credit side more. The difference is 8,950. How much? 8,950. This 8,950 is considered as surplus because credit side is more than the debit side. Income and expenditure debit total is 22,800. 22,800. This 8,950 should be shown in the balance sheet as addition to the capital fund. 2. Surplus. 8,950. The total is 46,600. Now we have to make the total of the balance sheet. Total of the balance sheet is 50,600. 50,600. After that, we have to use the word total. Yes. Thank you. Let us discuss tomorrow.